So, imagine if ghosts built the pyramids.
Okay.
So they feed off heat, right? And so you can only see them when probably at night, and they get their energy from the desert heat.
Okay, so it's almost like they're coming back from the afterlife.
Yeah, exactly. So
Okay.
they'd be building the pyramids that they didn't get a chance to build in their normal lives. So they obviously died like halfway through, and now they're working on finishing these pyramids that'll never be finished.
Okay. What kind of environment are we thinking?
So for the environment, I'm thinking a desert, probably at night time, and then kind of like cartoony ghosts that are like carrying cinder blocks like on ropes that are weighing them down, or passing cinder blocks up to one another.
Okay, so like a big moon, some stars. Maybe the stars could be like actually aligning like the zodiac signs almost.
Yeah, that'd be super cool. Like you could have those like pyramid stars, and then like the zodiac sign or like the symbol for one of the Egyptian gods above it.
Okay. You could even go to as far as adding the actual statues of the god, so maybe Anubis or even the Sphinx or something like that.
Yeah, that'd be super cool if they were working on building those as well. You could have ghosts chiseling into like a statue of Anubis or a Sphinx in the mid ground.
Okay. So like what we're thinking for the foreground, some palm trees, some rolling desert hills, that kind of thing.
Yeah, definitely, and it could be potentially from the perspective of like a camp setup where like tourists go to see it, and that viewport could be through kind of one of their cameras, and you could see all this kind of happening in the distance.
Okay. That sounds cool. What kind of scene are we thinking? Are we thinking like seeing the actual ghost passing up the cinder blocks, like, and then also ghost chiseling away from the actual statue in the distance?
Yeah, that'd be wicked.
Okay.
Oh mate, check this out. Wait, where'd he go?